Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can set up a personal focus on the iPhone 14 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And on the home screen, tap on Settings. In Settings, you want to scroll down and tap on Focus. Then we go down and tap on Personal. Now set that personal focus when you are spending time with family or taking time for yourself. Be fully present by silencing notifications or customizing your screens and apps. So tap on the Customize Focus button. In here, you can choose the people that can notify you or send you notifications during this mode. So tap on People, and it says Silence notifications from, and you can also select allow notifications from, and then tap on Add People. So at the moment I have one person added. You can add more people if you wanted to, and then tap on Next, and then choose calls to allow, so who can call you during this mode. So at the moment it is set to favorites. If you want to select allow people only, then tap on that, or everybody, or from your contacts only. And then after that you can tap on the Done button. So now we have configure who can send you notifications. Next, you can configure apps. So in here you can choose which apps can send you notifications during this mode. You can select silence notifications from. So select the apps that will be silenced, and then select the apps that you want to allow that can send you notifications. So very similar to the people selections. In here you can select apps that can send you notifications. You can tap on the Add Apps button to select other apps as well, and then tap on Done. Then tap on Done. Next, we go down and tap on Customize Screens. In here you can choose the lock screen and the home screen. So if you tap on the Choose button, in here choose which lock screen that you want to use. If you want to add in more screen, you can go to the gallery and add in more lock screen. At the moment I do not have a lot of lock screen set up, so I only have a few. In here I'm going to select this one right here, and it said this lock screen has already been linked to another focus. If I want to link it, I can tap on Link and then tap on Done, and then tap on Choose for the home screen. On home screen here you can create a new page, or you can select one from the previous page. So I can select a new page, and then you can also tap on Edit Apps and choose which apps are available for you to use during this mode, and then tap on Add. And then down here we got Turn on automatically. Have this focus turn on automatically at a set time, location, or while using a certain app. So you got smart activations. You can turn on smart activations, or you can switch it off. That's up to you. And then you can also set a focus filters. Customize how your apps and device behave when this focus mode is on. So you can tap on Add Filters, and then Calendar Filters, and then you can choose. And then based on the calendars, for example, you can choose which calendars can send you notifications. And then that's it. Tap on Add Filters, and then you can add in more filters. So in here you can continue to add in more filters if you wanted to, and that's it. So once you have set up your personal focus mode, you can then turn it on. So to turn it on, you swipe down at the top to open up the control center. Then tap, touch and hold on focus, and in here tap on personal to switch it on. And that's it. So that is how you can customize your own personal focus mode on the iPhone 14 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.